touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people moving. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs and voices never shared. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence.